Yes, good day, doctor. This is Saboli Michael, and I'm going to present to you my coursework for digital signal processing. And these are the numbers that I went through. One is about reading the audio file, and I have its syntax here, where it's y equals web read, then wave file, and then its extension. So this is the code for it. It's loading. This for loading audio. You see, it is. I'm going to change the directory, that is CD, to the desktop to the folder where it is, and that folder is on my desktop. And then I use this code to read it. So let me show you. This is the folder, and the link to that folder is here. So I'm going to copy this code, then I put it in my Scilab to read. So as I wait for it to launch, this code will read for me what is in there. I will paste it here. So now you can see it is reading, but now it takes so long to read, so I'm going to pause the video and then I will resume when it is done reading. And now, as you can see, it has stopped the reading. It is done reading the wave file. So this is the result and everything it has gone through. So that is for reading, and then I'm going to move to the next, which is the playback audio file. For playback, this is the syntax: play sound Y, and Y write the bits and then the command. So I'm going to copy this code, and then this load wave, I'll copy it. And then, as you can see, the directory here directs it to the folder where my wave file is. So I'm going to launch Scilab again. And then when I paste it there, it will play. That is the sound I'm playing. Yes, it is a 12-second sound, and it's done. So that is for playing. The next one is adding the signals. So to perform the basic operations on audio and on audio files. So I'm going to use this is the code for adding, where there is the X title, that is the title which is along the X axis, and then the X label, that is the time, and Y label, the amplitude. So it is going to be that amplitude against time. So for signal 1, I've used S1 as signal 1. Then it will use this code. to use this code to put in the first signal and then the second signal, and then we perform the operation, that is the addition of the two signals. So I'll copy the codes and I paste in my Scilab. Then we shall see as it adds the codes. So when I paste it here, we shall see a pop-up menu, the menu bar. You can see signal 1 is here and signal 2. So that is only to show the signal 1 and signal 2, but the code for adding the two is down here. So to add, I will copy all the codes from here up to the addition. Yes, that is, so the main code for adding is here, the plot to unplotting signal 1, signal 2. So I'll copy that. And then paste. So as you can see, the amplitude against time sine signal, the sine wave, I mean, you can see signal 1, it plots, and then signal 2 also plots, and the addition of the two signals is the third wave, as you can see in the pop-up menu here, the menu box here. So this is signal 1, signal 2, and this is the addition of the two. And the next question is about the products. Let me see. Yes, the products of the two signals. So as I did in the addition of signals, I also used the same code. That is for time and frequency, then the signals and plot it. So this one is for signal 1, and then this for signal 2, and then to get the product, that is the multiplication. I'm going to use this. So I'll copy the codes from, first copy the two signals, signal 1, signal 2, and then the products, this code for the products. So I'll copy that one and paste it in the Scilab. Boom, here we go. You can see the signal, the plot of first signal, the plot of second signal, and then the result, the product of the two signals. Yep. And then I think this is the last one, which is multiplying signal by a scalar. So I've tried to check in MATLAB. There is this one of the function, this fx, the display, and the way it is displayed in MATLAB is the same as in this Scilab also. So I'm using time and frequency, then the signal, to plot the signal. So to multiply it by a scalar, this is the function, this is the frequency, and then multiply by that scalar. Then it displays, and then we also plot. So the x title is going to be multiplication of signals by a scalar. Then the x label will be time, y label will be amplitude. So it is along y is amplitude, and then along x is time. So if I copy that code, I'll paste it in Scilab. Then we see first. Yes. So this is the multiplication of this of signals by scalar. So that has been my presentation about the coursework that was sent. And thank you. I hope I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.